In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply promo codes in TikTok Ads Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly where promo codes live in the interface and how to redeem them so they show up as ad credits on your account. First, open TikTok Ads Manager in your browser and sign in to the advertising account where you want the credit to apply. Make sure you're on the correct business or personal ad account before you move on. Promo codes typically attach to the active account you're viewing and can't be moved later. If you manage multiple accounts, it's worth double-checking the account name and ID at the top of the page. Once you're in, look for the Tools option in the top navigation bar. This section houses most of your account utilities, things like billing, payments, and other administrative settings. Click Tools to expand the available options. Inside Tools, choose Payments. This is your billing hub, where you'll see funding sources, spend history, invoices, and your current ad credit balance. If you've received credits in the past, they'll usually appear here, along with any available promotional balances. Next, select Promotions. This area is dedicated to discounts and offers, and it's where you'll access promo-related settings. It's the right place to apply a coupon code tied to your account. In Promotions, find the option to add a coupon from Redeem Ad Credits. Click it, and you should see a field where you can paste or type your promo code. Enter the code exactly as provided. Promo codes can be time-limited, region-specific, or targeted to certain account types, so be mindful of the terms that came with your code. If it's case-sensitive, match the capitalization. If it has dashes, include them. After you submit the code, wait for the confirmation message. When a code is valid, you'll typically see your available ad credit update in the Payments or Promotions area. Credits often apply automatically to future spend until they're used up, and you'll see them deducted on your billing statements before your primary payment method is charged. If the code doesn't work, review the eligibility details. Common blockers include expired codes, first-time advertiser requirements, account country restrictions, or minimum spend conditions. Ensure there are no typos, and if it still won't apply, check the official help resources within Ads Manager for guidance specific to your region and account. That's it. Open TikTok Ads Manager, click Tools, go to Payments, open Promotions, and redeem your code under Redeem Ad Credits. With that done, your promo balance will be ready to support your next campaign.